Alright, so instead of doing my usual thing where I make a long video, upload it, don't upload videos all that often, I'm just going to do this as a couple of different parts, and then maybe I'll make just one long video at the end, just compile all the videos together, we'll see. So, right here, I got going on is I am making a mold of one of these Minié balls. So, in each of these pieces of plaster, I've got one of these set flat against this bottom piece of metal, all the way up against one of these sides. I pour plaster around it. This one over here, I drilled a 5/8 inch hole in the bottom. Then I have this just weather strip adhesive to the bottom of it. That's going to make the bottom part of the mold. I'm waiting for that to dry. Once that's dry, I'll flip it over. I'll put just squares like this on top, fill it with plaster. It'll go and fill in that bottom side, and that can be the bottom third of my 3-part mold here. Now, this mold isn't going to be the final mold. I can't just make an aluminum mold straight from this. So, I'm making this plaster mold. With that, I will make a copper solid, as many of the copper solids as I can with, as long as this mold will withstand. And then with those, I will make aluminum molds, which then I'll be able to make a bunch of lead slugs with.